Hi, this is Dr. Pin, and I sent out a Facebook post several days ago and shared it to different groups about teaching children how to play chess. And I was happily surprised to see that so many parents are interested, uh, but uh, but I cannot teach everyone, so I decided to make this short video about this website. It's called chesskid.com, and it's really good for kids, very safe, and the kids can learn how to play chess. And so I'm going to show you how to use this one. So first thing, you're going to sign up for free, and you can have a free account, which actually is good enough for beginners. So you log in, and you see that, and what you're going to do there, you see there's a learn here. There is a lesson. So when you get there, and you see a lot of lessons here, you see from one is all the way down to way down here to about 95. Okay, different kinds. So it starts with very simple. Like this one is to show you how to move the rook. And you click in, you could just say, I'm going to start with this one, and this just tell us, tells, tell you how to move this rook all the way up to 8th rank. So that's pretty easy move. And so you just go up there, way up there. So you see that, they show you how to move. So that's one. And then they're going to show you like how to move in this case. And how do you move uh, the rook at A8, A8, and to H4 to here. So you're going to move actually zigzag. You move down to here, to the A4, then you move there. So that's going to show you how to move. So it's really, so they can teach you all the basics. And then uh, after teach you how to move, then we teach you how to checkmate. Then we teach you um, how to start the game, and also the tactics. And and keep going. So you can go from uh, uh, very a beginner and getting pretty good at it. Uh, if you just follow that, you can become a decent player pretty quickly. So once you learn the basics, and you actually can go play online, you can play with other kids. So the kids could be anywhere, and so you can play, or you can play with the robot. And so when you are started, you definitely want to play with robot first. Like this one, robot is from the easiest to hardest. And say like you can just play, and the robot will play. And you can also, if you're not happy with your move, and they allow you to actually move back. So just to let you to learn how to play. And so that's pretty much to have your kids get started. And once they get really, really into the chess and getting very good, so you might uh, to have him join a club. Um, and I do have I have several clubs, which I used to have it before the COVID-19. I used to have one at Center Group, which is in Greenwood, Indiana, and also one is at the Carmel, in the Carmel Clay Library. So I kind of now just create this chess just for online people. We the, It just basically the kids, they can play online, and it's called the Poema Chess Club. So you can have your kids, once you got your account, so you can have your kids to look up for this club and join it. So I hope this is helpful for you. And if you need more help, you're welcome. Just um, send me a message. I'll reply to you as soon as I can. All right. I hope this is helpful to you, and can get your kid start playing chess. All right. Goodbye.